So here I am going for the second video, that is the second link, because till that it is not possible to upload two lengthier problems in that. So first whatever I have sent till 6.2 exercise, first problem. So here second problem I am sending second in the second link. So here the problem is, as we have discussed in the first problem. So BC is given, one side is given, one angle is given, AB minus AC, and here it is plus and now it is a minus. The method is same, little bit changes will be there. So just draw first. BC is 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter I am drawing here. So just make the points. So 0 to 8. So draw the line. So give the name, that is BC they have given. Yes, so 8 centimeter. Now you have to draw 45-degree angle. So to draw the 45, so you know that if 90 by 2, if you do 9 fours are 40, and then you will get 45. So you know how to construct the 90-degree angle. Yes, so that means little bit length you take and draw one circular type half circle. Then from here if you draw one arc, you will get 60-degree. Yes, so if you draw here to here, then you will get another 60-degree. Bisector of both these two, whether my length increased or little bit same it is there. So yeah, so be careful, it will happen. So it is a bisector you have to draw. So now you got a point, so just you have to join that point now. Yes, so this is your 90-degree angle. So you want 45-degree. So what is the 90-degree? This point, and this is the initial. So from this, more than half you take, more than half you take, and make one curve. So more than half I took like this. Okay, so make one curve here and make one curve here. So there is a point of intersection. So just B and this length you have to join. So now, so the whatever the another side, that is B and C is there, A will create on this line, but this intersection is not A. This is our another rough calculation, that as I am telling, this is the duplicate of the A. So just we will write E as the name for that. So now it is difference 3.5 is given. So use the scale and measure 3.5, or what you can do there, in this case it is the lengthier one, so we have used the scale to make that one. So 3.5 is the smaller one, so you can directly do from the divider. So 3.5 measure, so 0 to 3.5. So that you have to keep here, and 3 point. Even you can use your scale also, like this you can use, and you can just make the point also. Okay, so it is 3.5. So now there may be a changes. Okay, as you are taking the more than half, if you take more than half this much, the curve will come down and that point will be here. So there may be a changes. This point whatever I got, this one, so this is a 3.5 measured point, so you have to join this one. Yes, so whatever you have joined, so for this you have to make the original of A point, you have to make the bisector for these 2 points. To making the bisector, what is the method? You have to take more than half, and more than half take it. So more than half, and one curve upwards and another one is downwards. Yes, so at the C point, one upward, one downward, and another one is from this point upward and downward. So now you have to join these 2 points, these 2 bisector points. So now you can observe whether we got any intersection point on this line, because at this line we want the intersection, because it is the angle created as 45 degrees. So on this line we want intersection. To do that one, whenever it is a subtraction, sides are subtracted, so that time what happens, it will happen. So for that, what you have to do, you just increase these lines. You have to increase the length of these lines. So I will increase this one, and even you have to carefully increase the length of these lines. So now it is intersect. So this intersection point what we got, that is our A. So now join A and C. So this is what we have, ABC 45-degree angle. So we can make the darker one. Okay, you can make again darker one. This is about second problem. Let's move it towards third one. So third problem is also similar to second one. So here QR is 6 centimeter, angle Q is 60 degrees, so easily you can do, and PR and PQ is 2 centimeters. So subtraction, that means you have to increase the length and it will meet at one point. That new point, from the new point you have to draw. So the first thing what you have to do, at the down you take it, because as it is the negative it may get increased. So 6 centimeter first. So draw the 6 centimeter. So from 0 to 6 you are drawing, okay, so don't get confused, 0 to 6. So it is Q, our name itself they have given, so it is 6 centimeter. Now at the Q, at the point Q, you have to make the 60 degrees. So what is the method? So little bit length you have to take, and you have to make one circle. So from this you have to make first arc. So this is the 60 degree. So just join it, that one. So as it is a 60, so no need to worry, starting only we can solve that one. So this is the point. So 60 degree. So as it is a 60 degree, what is next step? That is 2 centimeter of the length. So this is our new length. Here only there is a formation of the another side, that is the another point. So what you have to do, measure 2 centimeters, or directly you can keep scale only. So it is exactly 2 centimeter, whatever I have took, that means it will come here only, because here whatever I have took by the guess, that is also 2 centimeters. So mine will come here, yours may get change, okay. So mine will come at this point only. So just I will make the dark this one, okay. So this is my 2 centimeter line, okay. So this is, I will give the name as M. So because I have not drawn a particular, this is the difference. So now you have to join this one. So if you join, you will get a new line, yes. So from this you have to draw the bisector, because as it is the difference. So take more than half, and from these 2 points you have to construct. One is at above and another one is at downwards, and here you take it. So one you have to take like this, more than half you have to take, and one curve up and one curve down, and again you have to keep it at M, one at upward and another one is at downward. So is it clear? So now you got 2 points. So just 2 points, just make it dark and just join those 2 points and let it increase the length. So because as it is the problem of negative numbers, subtraction, so it will, the length will get increased. So again note it, join these two. Yes, now it is joining. Yes, so here we got new point, that is nothing but our P. So now join the P and R. So this completes our triangle of construction of second triangle. Yes, so let's move it towards third one. So this is a fourth problem. Construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 30 degree they have given and angle Z is 90 degree they have given. So there are two angles you have to create. Then XY, YZ and ZX. It is nothing but a triangle perimeter. Even in question they may ask construct a triangle where a perimeter is 11 centimeter. So if like that also, then you have to remember that all the sides is equal to 11 centimeter. So there is a particular method for this, how to solve. So first thing is what you have to do. So as they have not given exactly, we have to prepare for the Y and Z, but we don't know any of the side. So for that what you have to do, all the perimeter centimeter how much they have given, that you consider as the line equal to 11 centimeter. The baseline of the triangle is equal to 11 centimeter. Then you consider Y is equal to 30 degree and draw one like Y dash we will consider, that is you draw as the half of that, 30 by 2, and another Z is equal to 90. You have to create that one as a Z dash as 90, that is 45. So you come to know how to construct. So I am using pen, you have to use for every construction you have to use. angles, you have to use the pencil. So this is first what I told, you have to create the baseline by using the perimeter value what they have given. So 11 centimeter. So what I will do, 11 centimeter, it is not exactly from 0 to, it is 11. So I will draw one line 0 to 11 centimeter. So as it is not exactly the term, so y and z they have given, so it is not exactly, as not real, so I will say this is the duplicate of that one. Okay, so y dash and z dash. So now at the y dash you have to create 30 degree. So as I told, it is a y is 30 degree, so y dash you create half of that one, because we are making the rough calculation. So what I will do first, for that, first I will make arc here. So one length you can, little length you can take and draw one arc, one circle half. It changes. So be careful when you are solving, because it will happen. See, mine get changes. So again I will do, because instead of doing two times I will do both together here. So it is, now we had at y we have to create 30 by 2. So that means 15 degree angle. So first I will make a 60 degree both the side, 60. So here also I will make 60 and 60. So here what I want, from this is now 60 degree, so I want 30. So I have to create the 30 degree here again. So from the 30 I have to make the bisector. Yes, so what I will do, I will first, as it is a 60, so I will create first 30 degree. So for that, more than half and take it 1 point and take it 1 point. So this is the point where you got 30 degree angle now. Yes, so 30 degree angle. So I want 15, but because I am creating a y dash 15 degree, so that means you have to take more than half. So more than half it is here, so I will take here, and another point you have to keep, and you have to take here 1 point curve. So now you got your 15 degree. Yes, then join these 2 points. So 15 degree. Okay, so this is what you got, 15 degree. So this is your 15 degree. Yes, so that is y dash angle. So this is 15 degree. So here I want z dash, that is 90 by 2. So to create 90 by 2, what you are doing, so the same length you are taking. Yes, so I will measure what I have created here already. So this is 60, this is 60, and you have to make 90 degree means same angle. So keep it here and keep it here. Little bit I have to increase. So now it is a 90 degree. So just take the point and join the line. So this is the point, this is, so this is 90 degree. So I want 45, but so for that what you have to do, so you have to take more than half, and these are the 2 points which are new. So you have to construct a arc here. You have to keep here and you have to make the construct. You have to make 2 curves. So now you got another line here, so you have to join those points. Yes, so this is your 45 degree, that is z dash angle. So now you got, from these two duplicate of y, z and z dash, you got one new point, this one. So this we can say that original, I will use original of x. So from the two duplicate, whatever the point you got, that is the new value of x. So I will consider that one as the x. Now you have to create, from the duplicates you have to create the original one. Okay, so for your understanding I am saying that one. So x and y, for the x and y you have to draw the one bisector, and for the another x and z you have to draw the bisector. So for that what we will do, take the length. So this is the new formed line. Yes, so more than half you take, and just from here you draw one curve, and one curve at downwards, and again you keep it at x and make this one, keep it at x and make this one. So now you got one new point. Yes, so that these new points what you got, the intersection point, so just join that one. Now you observe it meets at some point at y. Yes, x y dash meets at one point. Yes, so this, don't consider this one. So we want the y or z value, so that means this meets at here. So now this is which new point? This is at the y, so that means this is our new y point. So now we got x, y, so we have to create z. So for that, x and z, x is the new original one and z is the duplicate, so more than half you take and just make one curve here at up and at down, and again you take it here, make one point, and again you take here, so it came here, so I have to again do that. So yes, now I got intersection. So these are the two intersection points here. So one is here and one is here. So several times exam they have asked these problems. So now you got another point here. From the z and x you have used, so that means original is x is original, z is duplicate, so this point what we got here, so that is z. So that means this is our z point. So now x, y, z are the 3 points what you got. I am using different pen to show that one, so you can use your pencil to draw. So this is x, y, z. You can observe x and z are exactly straight line because the z angle is 90 degree they have given. So that's why this is our triangle. So you can make dark from the pencil. So this is fourth problem. Last one problem is there, that also we will finish. So in this problem you can observe they have given a right angle triangle. So that means right angle triangle we have 90 degree angle. So base is 12 centimeter. So just consider this one ABC. So base is 12 centimeter and the sum of its hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but this one, the opposite of this, and hypotenuse and other side, sum of these two sides is 18 centimeter they have given. So that means the another two sides BC plus of AC is equal to 18 centimeter they have given. So this is similar as we have drawn the first problem maybe. So sum of the two sides are equal to 18 centimeter. So first we will start with the base, that is AB. Take it at the down, so it will be lengthier one as they have given the 18 centimeter length, so it will be more lengthy. So just take it at the down and draw first how much it is, 12 centimeter. AB is 12 centimeter, so it is 0 to 12. So draw a 12 centimeter line. So this is AB 12 centimeter. Then what you have to do? You have to draw the 90 degree angle at A because it is a right angle triangle. So you have to create a 90 degree. So for that what you have to do? You have to take little bit length and you have to draw one arc, one half circle here. Then for that you have to draw the 60 degree angle. So you know that you have to take one curve here, and after that keep it from that arc, and another arc you have to make, and one upward and another point from another upward. So whatever the point you got, intersection point, so that you consider and just make the length. So now the question is how to create this 18 centimeter. So that means this is the A and B and C must be on this line. So to get that one, so the sum of these two sides are 18. So just measure 18. So I will do from the here. If you are doing like this, it will be little difficult. 0 to 18. So whether it is coming in the video, yes. So if you have shorter scale, then your scale you have 15 centimeter. So for that what you make, 15 one point you make, after that 15 you make 3 centimeter again, so it will be 18. So I have lengthier scale, so I will just do like this. So to draw it will be helpful for me. So here my 18 is here and my 0 is here. So I hope it is clear. Yes. So 18 to 0. However you want like that you can draw. Okay. So till 18 I will increase. So my 18 is here at the line and I have increased it to 0. Even you can take like this also, 0 to 18. so it will be difficult to draw, so that's why I took like this. So it is 18. Now this is the point of 18, that means this is our not C point, this is another point, so we'll just write as E. So now what you have to do, you have to join these 2 points. So just join these 2 points. So now for this you have to draw the bisector. So to draw the bisector, what is the method? Take more than half, so it will full length it will take, because it is more than half. So here to here 1 point, one bisector, and another one may here, and another you have to take it at here, and you have to make one curve here and another curve here. Now you got 2 point of intersections. Yes, so just you have to draw, you have to join these 2 points at some angle. Then if you join these 2, so this is the point. As you join these line, you got a new point here at this. Why we need this one? Because this is our measured line. Yes, so there we got a new point, means this is our new AB we have, this is our C point. Then you have to join your B and C. So whatever the triangle you got now, that is your triangle ABC. So this completes your 6.2 exercise, even the construction units. So you can, as there are 2 videos, so you can draw this one and you can submit before Saturday. So Friday evening you can submit. Okay, so if at all you finish today only, you can submit, you send the pics to me.